Good day! Welcome to our mathematics class. I am Ma'am Fatima Tambago from the Division of City Schools Manila, Philippines.
Today, our topic is about simplifying rational algebraic expressions. Review, simplify the fractions to its lowest term. Number 1, 5 over 10. That is equal to, if we're going to get the factors, we have 5 times 1. And then, for 10, we have the factors 5 and 2. Now, separating the two factors, we have 5 over 5 times 1 over 2. And then 5 divided by 5, that is equal to 1 times 1 half, copy. And then multiplying 1 times 1 half, we will have 1 over 2 or 1 half. Therefore, 5 over 10 is equal to 1 half. Number 2, 9 over 15, that is equal to, getting the factors of 9, we have 3 times 3. And then for 15, we have 5 times 3. Now this time, let's have the shortcut 1, wherein we can cancel the same factors, both numerator and denominator. So we have 3 for numerator, and then for the denominator, we have also 3. Because that will be equal to 1. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, we will have the remaining factors 3 over 5. That's why the lowest term of 9 over 15 is equal to 3 over 5. Number 3, 39 over 169. That is equal to 3 times 13 over 13 times 13. Again, we're going to cancel both same numbers from the numerator and denominator, which is 13, because that will be equal to 1 again. That's why the remaining factors will be 3 and then 13. That's why the lowest term for 39 over 169 is equal to 3 over 13. Lesson 3. Simplifying rational algebraic expressions. Using multi-rule map or MRM, example 1. Write the rational expression 24x raised to 3 over 6x raised to 4 in simplest form. Step 1. Factor completely the numerator and denominator. So we have for the factors of 24, x raised to 3, we have 6x raised to 3 times 4. And then for your denominator, you can factor this out as 6x raised to 3 times x. So we can get the GCMF or greatest common monomial of both numerator and denominator, which is 6x raised to 3 in this given example. Step 2, separate and divide out the common factors. So we have 6x raised to 3 over 6x raised to 3 times 4 over x. We're going to separate the factors which are the same or common. Step 3, multiplying the remaining factors. So we have 6x raised to 3 over 6x raised to 3, dividing it, we will have 1. And then times, copy 4 over x. By simplifying, we will have 1 times 4 over x, which is equal to 4 over x. Therefore, 4 over x is the simplest form of 24x raised to 3 over 6x raised to 4. Example number 2. Write the rational expression 3x minus 12 all over 5x minus 20 in simplest form. Step 1. Factor completely the numerator and denominator. So in this case, GCMF is equal to x minus 4. So we can factor out 3 in the numerator. That's why we will have 3 times quantity x minus 4. And then for your denominator, you have 5. And then the another factor is x minus 4. Step 2, separate and divide out common factors. So we can separate x minus 4 over x minus 4 and then multiplied it by 3 over 5. Step 3, multiplying the remaining factors, we will have 3 over 5 times x over 4 divided by x over 4, that is equal to 1. And then by simplifying, we will have 3 over 5 times 1 we have 3 over 5. Therefore, 3 over 5 is the simplest form of 3x minus 12 all over 5x minus 20. Example number 3. Write the rational expression x raised to 2 minus 1 all over x squared plus 2x plus 1 in simplest form. Step 1. Factor completely the numerator and denominator. So in this case, for the numerator, we have difference of 2 squares. So we will have 2 parentheses. For the first parenthesis, we have x plus 1. And for the second one, we have x minus 1. For the denominator, we have, since that is a trinomial, for the first parenthesis, we have x plus 1. And then for the second one, we have x plus 1 also. Step 2, separate and divide out common factors. So we have x plus 1 all over x plus 1 times x minus 1 all over x plus 1. Step 3, multiplying the remaining factors. X plus 1 over x plus 1 is equal to 1 times x minus 1 over x plus 1. By simplifying, we have x minus over x plus 1. Therefore, x minus 1 over x plus 1 is the simplest form of x squared minus 1 all over x squared plus 2x plus 1. Example number 4. Write the rational expression 2x raised to 3 plus 4x raised to 2 all over x plus 2 in simplest form. Step 1. Factor completely the numerator and the denominator. So we have 2x squared times quantity x plus 2 all over x plus 2. Step 2. Separate and divide out common factors. We have 2x raised to 2 times x plus 2 all over x plus 2. Step 3. Multiplying the remaining factors. We have 2x raised to 2 times x plus 2 over x plus 2 is equal to 1. By simplifying, we have 2x raised to 2 times 1 that is equal to 2x raised to 2. Therefore, 2x raised to 2 is the simplest form of 2x raised to 3 plus 4x raised to 2 all over x plus 2. Now, it is your turn.